Hello, hello, sir. Yeah, we are live in YT and Discord as well. So, I hope you guys had a beautiful weekend. Open up yes. Bring my phone out to check whether log is on. No. Yeah, yeah, sure. We are here. Let me just update about live in our other socials. Um, Instagram now. Just copy the link. So we are live. Copy the link. Yep. To some settings. Oh, okay. Then I'll stop the link. Okay, so let some more people to join the live so that we can start our analysis. Yep. 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 Nice. We'll start it soon. Hey, hey, hey. Yes, sir. Welcome to the stream. I think you are first time here. Never saw you before. Saw you before. Yeah. Welcome. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. I'm waiting for some more people to join so that I can, start analysis. Yeah. Thank you for coming live. Three people. We need more. We need more. Previous low is already taken in MNQ. I'm looking for the low to set and then we can push higher actually. But let's see what's gonna happen. I haven't saw a chart yet, so I have to analyze. So now we are good. Previous low is previous low. Let me just yeah. Current low is already taken. Sorry, I thought that's a previous level because I haven't saw the chart yet. So, but the problem here is we are leaving this gap. Are we taking this in YM? Let me just check that out. Oh, I have something interesting going on in here in YM. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We almost taken that, and we have this here. Beautiful. Guys can see we have almost taken that. At this, we got this body closure, 6 a.m. candle. Yeah. Sorry, sorry, my bad. I thought I marked the current day low actually. We have these lows actually, uh, looking good, and this low. So let's wait and see if we didn't take this low till 10 a.m. and then we have fresh lower. So yeah, that's looking so good for our previous day low in YM. It's very far. It's way more far. So yeah, we need some kind of stress switch in YM so that we can yeah, actually no news Monday I think. So let me see if you got any news here. Where is let me check it. Thought someone posted in community, so I was searching it there. Let's see the news. What we got? Oh, bro. You know what we have today? Today we have a bank holiday. That's the reason because the volume is super low. That's the reason that we have bank holiday. So yeah, let's see. Not ideally, but not gonna trade any of my accounts. Just paper trading. Yeah, we have a bank holiday today, so I actually planned a trade here on this change set of delivery here. It went so good till these lows, uh, till this midnight open here. So that was actually crazy trade on this tap retracement limit order and this high, and this was a target. My SL was above this high. So that was a good trade. The logic behind that trade was very simple. Like we almost got this closure, this candle, and we had this relative equal lows left down here. So yeah, I was almost like break even on this point, and I was holding till 12 a.m. Let's see if we can take that previous day low. Current day low is already taken. If this fails to uh, if this fails to manipulate here and push it back with some confirmation, like one stage or two stage, this point we can, if this fails to manipulate like this, we can look for straight previously low down here, like down here, here. Let's see. Yeah, definitely. Actually, I used to do a back test in my Discord, but in recent weekends I was busy with other stuff, so I was unable to do the back test. Yeah, but yeah, we'll definitely do it one day, everyone. Will definitely. Welcome, everyone. So this is a plan in indices as we have this one stage up here with YM. Actually, it's empty with previously high. I initially I thought that we are leaving this cap in all the assets. So when I saw YM, I got to know that yeah, we almost clear that high, so we can consider it as a exactly consider it as a track and correlation and push lower to the previous day low. So this is a plan basically. We got a good closure below midnight open, and we also have the small CST here in 4 hour, and we can look for previous day low, I think. But in let's look for a call. That's it for indices. That's my plan. I'll wait for 10 a.m. to open, and then we can push it lower. Like we can look for the lower prices. And when it comes to gold. What's happening? Gold looks same. Like we cleared the previous day high, and we were unable to clear the previous day high in silver, forming this one stage here. Almost looks the same. And we also disrespected this gap here, so I think we can push lower. That's what I think. But I'm not sure whether we are getting that volume today because that volatility today because it's a bank holiday, so the markets might be slow. So be careful while trading, guys. That's what I would say. So like considering this as a high, let's put on yeah, consider this as a USD high and this is a perfect one stage and moving forward. Look at the gold and silver here, how they are reacting at this point. We have this PSP on stage inside of this gap, and PSP still holds because this high is still protected here. You see, this high is still protected. If we get a closure below this candle here before 10 a.m., we can go for these lows easily, and then we can look for this as well. Hopefully, if we get if we don't get any entry in between here, we can just go and tackle those lows in here. Actually, these lows are already taken, but doesn't matter because we have this one stage up here. Also this second stage here. But the main thing is we need closure, body closure below this open closing price. Sorry, opening price of the previous candle. So let's wait for that in gold. MNQ another 12 minutes. I hope I will not flush down and take this strong liquidity and then chop around. I'm not expecting that to happen. What's going on with the oil? Oil. Oh, that's surprising. Oil looks kind of confusing because this gap is holding and we are inside of this gap right now. So you can just chop around. But things maybe look at this chop. We got on Friday. We took a loss on that day actually. So 6 p.m. here. Here we have 6 p.m. All we have in RTY just straight away expanded high. Yeah, here we have a 6 p.m. I marked it wrong here, I think. Oh, here it is. Not this guy, sorry. So, yeah, shit is low. The current low is not yet cleared here in oil, but RTY did that. But let's look at what's HO doing here. HO, HO. This looks good. So 6 p.m. open. The problem here is we don't have any Kraken correlation. The only thing we had is this PSP. This PSP down here, and this low is still holding strong. And we might be inside of some oh, hard time frame period. No, nothing else here. Nothing else in HO. But still, let's wait and watch. I think these highs will be cleared out. And then we will just like, I'm not much clear about oil and HO, but gold and this is looking good. We just need to wait for 10 a.m. open and then see if we get any opportunities. Can you guys hear me on YouTube? No, let's see, guys, what we got. Uh, I don't want this low to get manipulated again. Becomes a problem for us. I don't want this low to be get manipulated and then turn and so it is I don't think so. It will go higher from here right now. It will definitely take previous low, but bank holiday. It can also just chop around and not take the previous low. Previous low, these low, and finally got previous low down here. It's a little bit far, but not far for gold. I would say even in Europe when it is a gold, we have these intermediate lows to take. Let's see, guys. We have another 7 minutes for this 6 a.m. candle closure. We can look for sells after 10 a.m. open. Yeah, now you guys can ask if you guys have any doubts or anything. Make sure to like the stream, guys. Sure, to hit that like. We got 5 viewers, but only 2 likes. Please, please, please. Please do like the stream, and you guys can ask any questions if you have. Other than that, we can't do anything. We can just wait and watch what competitors. That's the only thing we have. 3 likes. Come on, guys. 3 likes. Finally. Five. 3 minus 5. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Another 2 left. Hit that like. Let's make it equal. Hey, I have a question about Profirm. Like, if you guys get banned in a Profirm, can you get straight by logging in with by creating an account with another email? If you guys have any information regarding that, you guys may just help me out with that. Moderator, moderator. If you have any idea about this, please do tell me. Definitely we'll do that. Definitely we'll do that. New ID in the sense, new ID in the sense like we need a new email ID or something. I did KYC already. I took payout from I think some ID plus face. One for. Let's see, guys. I'm facing some problem with some of proforms. I don't want to say their name here on stream because there was a outage like positives, projector outage in their site while I was trading, and they didn't give my profits on my dashboard. So I just went and asked them. They ignored. I asked them twice, they ignored, and then I just, I just crossed some community guidelines maybe. Because of that they just banned me. But I was very comfortable with that firm, so I wanna create another account and just give it a try. But let's see if it's possible. Like, can you guys ask like for me in the Discord if it's possible? Moderator, can you please do that? Let's wait for 10 a.m. I want to play music, but again, copyright. Can't do anything about that. Wait for 1 hour minutes. But these weeks, do you see these weeks? These weeks are not healthy because we need a straight expansion candles. These negative condition candles are not good at all. If you see here, these big wicks we are forming, this is not at all good, bro. Like even this candle can, give a deep pullback and form a very big wick, something like this. That's not at all good. Even if you punch your trade, you might there's a high probability that you are going to get chopped out or you are going to get out at break even. Even happens because of this indicator. Reloads the screen according to that indicator actually, so that's a problem. 16 minutes with the previous 4 hour low. Obviously, we are looking at it, but you need a one stage to continue this trend, and that's good. So right now, I use Blue Guardian. I used to use it for some other form. Who banned me? I can't see their name here, so on live stream. If you guys understand. Can I open, guys? But I need these guys to decide to take out. So that we can tap inside of this PG here. Yes, oh yeah. Let's look at yes. See if we got anything exciting there. Nothing much. Nothing much. We have here. Well, we are around the midnight open. In a, in a, yes, we should consider this one balance. Let's see. Gold, gold is straight away dumping here. And now, development, no upper big. No, I want to see this staff here. See this 4 hour candle. We want it to form its big something like this. you know, something like this, give it a tap and at the same time let it form the highs and then we can trade away from it. But again, if it goes without giving us entry, then we are not going to touch it because it's a bank holiday. It's a bit difficult to trade low probable setups. So just to avoid and pretty objective. Let's wait. That's the only thing we have to do right now. Let's wait until these highs taken or any crack and correlation. Let's see what we have for you. Oh, why should take this high? Get that continuation. Yeah, we'll take that high, but I want this candle to flash on and close like flash down. At least I want this candle to give a C2, and then we can look at should it be slow. Gold is just delivered down the guys. Already said it as like when it goes far, USD low is far, it's absolutely possible by gold. Very that's one place. That's it. I want this eye to be clear. See. Okay. So don't have any SMP there. Sorry guys. Think yeah, we are still far in ES. Another 9 minutes for this 10-minute closure. Expecting this gold. I don't think so. It will form upper week of 10 AM candle or that thing. Well, oil, oil. That should be clear. As I said, clear this high. I think, yeah, this high with this one stage. This be down here. This thing, but let's see if this fix. It's a gap direction hold. Give me a one stage with this candle next 15-minute candle stage and we can target to high. But mm, let's stick to the indices right now. For now. Even though we are in a PDRA, it would be so good if we got this C2, like flip back and get that C2 so that we can trade to this low. But if this closes the same way the way it's trading right now, I think we should be waiting for another 15-minute candle to get that C2 and trade the another 15-minute candle C3. That's a mechanical way how it's done, but if we have a good context and good confluences, we can even catch the C2 as well with two stage. We get that. But the best way, the safest way to trade is a C3. That's what I think. C2 becomes a bit difficult because we are we usually set the reversals on C2 candles. So sometimes predicting the reversals becomes difficult as compared to predicting the continuations. So I prefer you guys to stick with continuations. It will become uh, easy for you guys because continuations make sure that you are following the trend, and you guys already know you have to just be on the good side of the market, the market opposite of the market. So it's a plan. What do we have? What do we have? What do we have? What do we... Okay, I think that's happening. Like we are getting C2 here. Another 5 minutes. We have to wait. And this is to get that C2, and then next 15 will open, and then we can trade C3. But the problem is, are we getting that C2? That is the question. Are we getting that C2? That's the question. Like not yesterday, Friday's projection was not good, guys. Like I took a loss and two losses, and not two losses, one loss and one break even. The another one was just one or two contracts maybe. So I know I don't consider it as a loss or something. That's what we wanted here. C2, the primary C2 formation with this one stage and the continuation. So, so the thing is like, if you guys wanted to trade the C2, you guys can after this changes it of delivery because next 15 minute can just straight away dump. So if we get this changes of delivery, I prefer you guys going with low contract, low risk. 7 people, guys, yo, make sure to hit the like. Seven, we got 7 viewers and we only have 3 likes. That's bad, guys. Yes, sir. We got that flip. Another 24 seconds. And we also have this breaker here. We can consider if we get closer below this low. Five guys, yo. Oh, 5 likes. Let's go. Let's go. Let me see. Stream help. Yeah, excellent. We don't have a same instead of delivery. So we're not gonna punch trade here. Just wait until we get that good rush. Rush, don't rush. The only thing we want right now is not this change instead of delivery, but a C2 closure in 15 minutes. This thing here. So if we get that closure, it becomes easy for us to trade the next 15-minute candle as C3. We are flipping on ES because ES is weak asset right now. But if we get any kind of strength switch, it should be so good. Here, we need to see to a few minutes probably. Let's flip, let's flip, let's flip. I want this current 3-minute candle to just straight away flush down and next 15-minute open, puts a wick up, taps the entry and then flush down again. Start another 1 minute. So look at this beautiful 40 minutes C2 closure guy. Like 30-minute key level, fair value gap, and taken the previous day, like previous candle high here. I think we should give it a try on ES because ES is a weaker asset, obviously. What is it to I'm gonna place my limit order once I get this closure down here. Let's change the state of the level or else we are not going to function. We're going to skip it. Again, if it comes back and taps, it taps. Or else no entry because we are not going to chase it. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, we are here. Wants to trade. Let's see if we get that tap and push lower. This is what I was talking about. Like it. Uh, that's it, guys. I'm not gonna move it. I was talking about like displacement and next 15-minute open, put a high and give us a tap and then flush lower. But the problem here is like we haven't yet got a tap there. That's a problem. Let's consider this as well. Let's put it on body. Let's take institute. If we get entry in here, we'll go with this, or if we get entry in ES, we'll go with that. Both are looking good, but getting entry, that's important. Like this point, okay, so we got entry there on ES. So just let's remove this. Let's focus on ES. Let's see. We can get that flash down. Now there's nothing to do, guys. We are just holding the trade. That is it. Bank holiday week and also the job around. build it once again. Being good so far. A lot of people don't prefer to trade on this day, especially bank holiday and especially on Monday when it comes to bank holiday. So, and that's good actually. Um, no, trading on bank holidays because we are not going to get such setups every day. So, what you can do is 0 1 to 2. Okay. So, what I would have done is keep your TP here. Take take out 80% of your contracts on this on this level, like 1 to 2. Make sure to secure it, and then let the other contracts run the previous day low. That's what I would do because we have previous day low. But be careful, like if we clear the previous day low on NQ or YM, so make sure to just take it out because that's SMT with previous day low. So that might cause a problem. Two watching shop down, shop down. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That is fine. That's a pleasure. So I wanted to close below here. That's a nice closer there. Crazy, crazy dump, crazy dump. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Venture is looking so cool, but sleep for years. I don't want these long weeks, bro. Come on. Thank you. Do we have any strengths with you? Thank you. Check this. Yeah, this is pretty much C2. Fine. So we traded this for pretty much C3. Look at these guys of covenant to like let the wick form and trade the body. And that's what we are doing here. Let the wick form and trade the body. Clean 15-minute expansion, but we haven't yet got 2 hours, so not getting much excited here. So we have break even. Keep your spread safe, keep your risk low. Absolutely zero risk on this trade right now. So even if I hit a break even, I'm not going to be disappointed because it's a bank holiday. So at least we executed one trade, but a lot of traders are not even trading today because it's not ideal day to trade. But let's see. Let's look at this 30-minute setup here. We get a big form, then we are trading inside the body. But the thing is, will this 30-minute candle support expansion? It's a question. Okay, so we have that fair gap in 1 minute. That should hold. Just sort of feel what's 5 minute doing. So we are inside of 5 minute fair value gap. So in NQ we are almost we are going to disrespect that. Maybe in another 1 minute. So we need to wait. Oh, very nice dump, very nice dump, crazy dump, crazy dump, crazy dump. What should I say more than this? Yeah, image. Yeah. Hey, let's go, sir. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Come on, push it lower. We are already break even, guys, so no need to worry. What's the previous still low? Oh, sorry, guys. I think I switched contract. I think I switched it from MES to some other asset. Oh shit. Let's go. Sorry. Bro, come on. Don't do this. Previous low. It's a current low. So the previous low is down here. Let me take one there. Okay. Let me take one out on current low and let the runner be at previous low. But I don't know whether it's going to take today or not, but I'll update about that on Discord. Can you set in price only? I don't know, bro. What price you should set in? Like, I'm not getting actually what you're talking about. आप हिंदी में भी बात कर सकते हो. I can understand हिंदी as well. तो हिंदी में बोलोगे तो मैं और अच्छे से समझ जाऊंगा. And I can answer better if you are Indian. But no problem with English as well. So feel free to use any language you want other than some, non-heard international languages like Portuguese or anything. I don't know. Portuguese, Spanish, Russian. I don't know all of those. I only know Hindi, English, and some native language of India. That is it. So then just running. Got this. Come on, bro. No, don't touch. I'm gonna test this, guys. If it hits my DP hits. Or else. Nikhil, welcome to the stream, bro. You said 10 contracts by limited. This thing, this thing I'm talking about. So therefore, 6884. Bro, once this TP hits, it will automatically calculate it. This is TP of, you know, this position here. So once any of these TP hits, it will automatically calculate and reset it. So 8 plus 1, 9, and another remaining one here. So this is final TP. So yeah, that's how it works. Let me see, like, you guys can see if that hits, if it takes me out there. Come on, bro. What's wrong with this? Yeah, it took me out there. We left with two, and we left with two here as well. See, and the another one will be taken down here, taken out here, and I'll leave the runners till previous to low. So I'm not considering, like, I'm not 100% sure whether it will, go and run this previous low, but let's give it a try. We we are taking out 90% of our positions here, like 95% of our positions here. So we'll be only left with one. So I don't care about that because we already did it risk free there. So yeah, W. We got that 1:2, guys. We got that 2 hour. Now it's another maybe for 3 hours. So we got that 2 hour, guys. So if you follow the strictly 2 hour as your ideal, RR, so you already got your TP. So you should be happy with that. Don't target for 3 hour or 10 hour or anything. You just need a two consistent 2 hour TPs to get that payout. So don't stress out much and chill. Let's see if you get that TR, that 3 hour. Sorry, my bad. Double trade on bank holidays, guys. Double trade on bank holiday. Crazy, crazy. We okay on bank holiday. How many views we got here? Four. Okay. Everything starts with 1 0 0. At least I started with one. I had one of my friend watching my live stream daily. So let's see where it will take us. Come on, man. Push it down. So at this point, we don't have any stress because it's risk off now. Don't edge, don't edge, don't edge, don't edge. Oh, we take this slow. Yeah, that's best. Oh, 50%. Whatever, yeah. We already got our 2 hour, guys. So beautiful C2. So we are in C3, 30 minutes C3 here. So we hope we'll get that 3 hour and furthermore, let's see. W in the chat, guys, like spam W if you guys took that trade. Yeah. This is what we wanted. 7 likes, 6 watching. But I know there's a guy who haven't yet liked the stream because 1 like was mine, so it's not crazy. Let's go. 9 likes. We need to push our engagement, guys, because we need more people to join our daily live, so that I can yes sir tattoo 8814W, so that I can do more giveaways and expand our community and grow together. So we need to push our live stream somehow. Solid plan. We had a solid plan today. We are still hedging without TP, but let's see. Take the trade, win it or lose it, just move on. That's what I'll be doing in next couple of days. Come live, sit, take the trade, and then win or lose, just move on. That's it. Crazy solid plan today. 7 viewers. Let's go. Yes, sir. We hit that for second TP. We'll have this previously down. Let's see if we can get that. But guys, like I don't know whether I'll be streaming till it hits the previous day low, but just you know I can end the stream anytime because uh 99% of work is done right now. So I think I should be going out and chilling out with boys. But I'll wait another half an hour, half an hour, 1 hour. So let's wait. Let's wait and see how much can it give us. This low, current day low. Current 15 is 15 minute looking. It's so important. Look at this, guys. Look at beautiful setup. Today in our Discord server, some of our student named Vikas, we were teaching him the same thing, like this same pattern. If he's watching our stream, uh, he knows what we were talking about, like this C2 closure, and we are going to trade C3 expansion, and we did same thing, and we are holding the just the additional thing, like another additional contract there. So so this happens every day, guys. So you just have to get an idea how to recognize it and then just trade it. So this thing you it's very difficult to do it mechanically. You have to build the context, you have to look for high or low of the day to be set, and then have to move with the market what's market is showing to you. So making it a mechanical, like trading this model mechanically becomes a bit difficult, but if you know how to build a narration and how to build a context with a good confluence, you can get great rates every day. You can increase your win rate with a good RR. So that's the main intention of trading this TTFM or GXT, whatever you call it. I don't see much difference between TTFM and CST, to be honest. So consider both the same, at least for me. Let's let it ride, guys. If you guys have any doubts, you guys can go ahead and ask it. Please, where is our previous high now? Let's see. Strong. It's on. Yes. Or else we can just see where our standard deviation comes in. Enter to those levels. Let's see. -4 is top here. Let's do this, guys. Like just no, there's no point of holding. Like I want to end the stream, so my uh, my work is done on this exit here. I was just holding it for fun, so just another contract. So let's keep it the last -4 level of standard deviation. If it takes me out at break even, I'm so happy. I'm even happy to be just like single contract, so nothing much.
Hmm. ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ
Just
ನಾನಿಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಪ್ಪ
what is called?
ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ಓದ್ಲಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಮೊದಲು ಸಾಂಬಾರು ಬಿಡು ಅಪ್ಪ ಮಾಡ್ತಿತ್ತು
Okay, so
ಫುಲ್
wrap up there. Oh, that's it.
ಅವನ್ನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಐತೆ ಅದೇ ಚೀಟಿ ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ನಾ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕಟ್ಟದ ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಡೋಣ ಚೀಟಿ ಎತ್ಕೊಳ ಅಂತವನೆ ನಾನ್ ಚೀಟಿ ಕಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ತಿರುಗ ಯಾರು ಯಾವಾಗ ಯಾವಾಗ ಹೌದೇನಾ ಹ್ಮ್ ಹ್ಮ್
So it should be good if you get this one stage down here.
ಹ್ಮ್
We take this high and we fail to take that high
ಹ್ಮ್
in yes. That was so good.
ಹ್ಮ್ ಯಾರು
Something like this.
ಹ್ಮ್
But let's see.
ಹ್ಮ್ ಕೃಷಿಗೆ
This one, right? Yeah, that high.
ಹ್ಮ್ ಹ್ಮ್ ಹ್ಮ್
That's it, guys.
ಹ್ಮ್ ಹ್ಮ್ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ಕೃಷಿ ಅದೇ ಕೃಷಿ ಹೇಳ್ದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಹಿಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಂತ ಫೋನಾಗೆ ಕೆಟ್ಟ ಕೆಟ್ಟದೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ಫೋನ ಕೆಟ್ಟ ಕೆಟ್ಟದಾಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು
Alright.
ಹರೀಶನ ಶಿವಣ್ಣ ಈ ಊರಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತಿರೋದು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನ್ ಕೆಚ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇವನು ಹ್ಮ್ ಹರೀಶ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇವ ಶಿವಣ್ಣ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋದು ನಾನು ಶಶಿ ಅವತ್ತು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡವ್ರಪ್ಪ
So guys, I'm
ಹ್ಮ್
feeling sleepy. I don't know why.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಯಾವನಿಗೆ ಅನ್ಕೋಕ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಮ್ಮ ಅಂತ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವನಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಬೇಜಾರಾಗಲ್ಲ ಇವನಿಗೆ ತಪ್ಪೈತೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ ತಪ್ಪೈತಿ ಯಾರು ಹರೀಶ ಹ್ಮ್ ಹ್ಮ್ ಇವತ್ತು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಹರೀಶರ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ ಬಿದ್ದ ಒಂದು ಡೇಟ್ಗಳು ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ ಬಿದ್ದ ವೇಟ್ಗಳು ಹ್ಮ್
Mm. No, I think I'm just down what it
ಹ್ಮ್
was. But yeah, we were that
ಹ್ಮ್
2 or 3 hours. It was almost 3.9 hour.
ಹಾ ಹ್ಮ್
We could
ಹ್ಮ್. ಇದು ಅವನೇನು ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಬಿಡಮ್ಮ ನಾನು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇಕಂತೀನಿ. ಅವನು ಸರಿ ಇರೋದು ಅವ್ನು ಒಪ್ಪಲ್ಲ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ನಾವು ಇದೇ ಬೇಡ ನಮ್ಗೆ. ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಾನ್ ಬಿಡಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳು. ಹ್ಮ್. ಅದು ನೀನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಮ 2 ತಿಂಗಳು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋದು ನಾನು. 3,000 ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಹ್ಮ್. ಇನ್ನು ಊರಾಗೆ ಹೆಸರು ಕಳ್ಗೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ಕೊಂತಾರ ಅವ್ರು. ಹ್ಮ್.
Fuck, fuck.
ಹ್ಮ್. ಮೊದ್ಲು ಹೇಳ್ದ ಕಣವ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಎತ್ಕೊಳಣ
Bro,
ಅಂತ
that
ಹೇಳ್ದ.
uh, I live in a hostel, so
ನಾನು
that's
ನೆನ್ನೆ ಹೇಳ್ದ
I
ಕಣವ,
don't like.
ನೋಡಪ್ಪ ನಾನು ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡು ನನ್ಗೇನು ದುಡ್ಡು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಈಗ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ನನಗೇನಕ್ಕೆ ಇಬ್ರು ದುಡ್ಡು ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಕಟ್ಟಿಸ್ಕೊ
What's
ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಏನು
flats
ಕಟ್ಟಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
right now? Yes, yes,
ಸೊ
to
ನೀ ಎತ್ಕೊಳಂಗಿನಿ ಎತ್ಕೊ,
grinding.
ನಿನ್ಗೇನು ಬೇಡ ನಾನು ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾನು ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಡೋಣ ಸರ್, ಯಾಕೆ ಬ್ರೋ
Yes,
ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ದ.
so
ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಮನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಮನೆ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ತುಂಬಾ ಕಷ್ಟ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ.
mm,
15,000 ಕೊಡತ್ತಕ್ಕೆ.
not a 3 minute quick closure, but can't say anything. Sorry about that thing, guys. I accidentally minimized the trading. You guys might see a black screen for a while, maybe. Let me show you something nice. I haven't shown yet who I am. I want to see it actually. So look at this.
ಈಗ ನಾನು ಏನೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾನೋ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ.
Look at this, guys.
ಯಾರು ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಯಾಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತು, ನಾನು
Look at this.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಟ್ಟ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅಂತದ್ರಾಗೆ. ನಾನು ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ವಿಜಯ ನಾವು ನಾವು
This
ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರು.
highway 100
ಬೈದಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು
meters
ಅವತ್ತು
high.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ನಾನು ಅಂತ ಏನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಲ್ಲ, ನೋಡಪ್ಪ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೆಂಗಾನ ಮಾತಾಡ. ಇವ್ರ
Okay,
ಬದಿಗೂ ನಾನು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಈಗ ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಇವ್ರಿಗೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ,
look
ಯಾಕೆ
at this
ಬೇಕು
high.
ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕೆಟ್ಟ
So
ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
we got this one stage continuation.
ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರು
Same
ನೋಡಿ
thing
ಮಾತ್ರ
happening right
ಯಾಕೆ
now.
ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ನು ಗೊತ್ತು ಈ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಹೆಸರು
Let's
ಕಳ್ಸ್ಕೊತಾನೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ
let's
ಪಾಪ
move,
ಅವ್ನು
guys.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ
In one or
ಏನು
the other
ಅಂತ
asset
ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ
we didn't
ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ದೆ.
get that crack and correlation. We just want to find it. We just have to find it.
ನನಗೆ ಈ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಜನಗಳು ಯಾಕೆ ನಾನು ಕೆಲಸ.
So now I'm going to move here.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಮಾಚಾರ.
This high because we just got this inversion. I would say we just got this inversion. We can just flush lower again.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಮಾಚಾರ ಇಡ್ಲಾ. ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ಒಂದು 10 ನಿಮಿಷ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು, ಎದ್ದಿರು. ಹ್ಞೂ ಸರಿ ಸರಿ.
This is what we got it with volume. The inversion traders might have entered here, maybe. They'll be break even at this point. When I was trading inversions, I used to do this. Can you break even at this point? This is a like beautiful inversion setup here with this inversions. It's a good thing. Let's see.
ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾವ ಶಿಷ್ಯ ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀಗ ವಾಮನ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೆ ಏನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜಗಳು ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಏನು ಊರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಊರಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಪ್ರತ್ಯೇಕ ಅಂತಿರುತ್ತೆ ನಾವು ಏನಿದ್ರು ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬೇಕು ಊರ ಬೆಲೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಬಂದಿದ್ರು ಅವರು
Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. I just need this much, guys. Like, I just need 10 to 20 viewers and 10 to 20 likes. Like, what I'm saying is, if I'm having 20 viewers, I just need 20 likes. If I'm having 30 viewers, I need 30 likes. Like, the less viewers, I'm okay with less viewers, but to get that like ratio and viewers ratio done.
ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂತಿದ್ರು
Another 15 minutes,
ಯಾರನ್ನ
I'll be staying. This 15-minute candle. Another 15 minutes, next 15 minutes, I'll be on live and in the stream.
ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ರಜೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೇನು ಅವನೇ ಮಾಡೋದು ನೀವು ಅವನು ಯಾರು ನೀವು ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಕೊಡದ್ನೆ ಬಿಡ ನಿನಗೇನಾಯ್ತು ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಕತ್ತತ್ರ ಬರಕೆ ಬಿಡ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ ಎಲ್ರು ನಿನಗೂ ಅವನಿಗೂ ಅವನಿಗೂ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಮತ್ತೆ
One
ನೀವೇನು
minute,
ಸಾಕಪ್
guys.
ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರ
I'm off.
ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡು
We are here. We're not so far.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀನ ದೋಸೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಕೊಡಷ್ಟು ನೀವೇನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇನು ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಊರಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಲೆ ಐತಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕನಸಿನಂತಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾರು ಯಾವಾಗ ಯಾರು ಅವನು ಏನಂತ ಯಾರು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮರಲ್ಲ ಇದೇನು Um, mm, mm. ಜೊತೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಕೊಡಂಗೇನು. ಹ್ಮ್. ನೀ ಅಲ್ವೋ ನೀನು ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ಅಲ್ಪ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಏನಿದು ಅಲ್ವೋ. ಹ್ಮ್.
Oh, I'm actually to hear about that breaker.
ಸರಿ ನಾನು ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ ನೋಡಿ.
What is breaker?
ನಾವು ಅವ್ನು ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ ನೋಡಿ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಆಯ್ತು ಹೊರಗೆ ಬಂದು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೀ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕೇಳ್ಬೇಕು.
6 viewers, 6 viewers. Yeah, now I think now it's fine. You will now hear the background voice maybe.
ಚಾಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳೋದಲ್ವಾ ಅವ್ನು.
If I get stopped out here, that is okay. We took 3 hour trade today, so it's fine. But again, let it run, let it ride, let's see. We got beautiful trade, guys. People who entered here at inversion might be stopped out at this point at break even if they are actually trading it because after taking this low they should be breaking in probably. So that's what I used to do. Let's see. Fair stop it or TP it. Let us see that. Let us see. Let's see. This is the difference between Indian accent and the other accents. Let us see. Let us see. Oh my god, it hit my trailed stop. Trailed stop. Stop is the other accent, but have we got all that 3R today, guys? Exact 3R. Beautiful trade, guys. Beautiful trade. Make sure to hit that like and to visit our live stream daily. You are going to get these banger trades every day. There might be losses on some days, but yeah, you guys know already. Like losses are just part of the game, so we have to accept those losses and just learn from them and then move on. So and that's it for today, guys. Bank holiday, we banked it on Monday. we had a beautiful trade. Uh, yeah, if you guys have any doubts, you guys can go ahead and ask, or as we are in the stream right now. अगर आपको कुछ क्वेश्चन है तो आप पूछ सकते हो, नहीं तो मैं स्ट्रीम एंड करूंगा. Here we go. This told it in two languages, whichever you're comfortable with. You can go with it. Another 30 seconds, guys. Once this candle gets, if this candle completes, I'm gonna just deja vu. Why? Why deja vu? Like, why did you feel that deja vu thing? I don't know. Why? Why deja vu? Deja vu. Deja vu. What is it? What does that mean? Deja vu. Inversion people smoked got smoked out here. If they are placing it above this candle, like this fair value gap, inversion fair value gap. Go ahead, guys. Like, if you have any questions, you guys can ask. I'll be way more happier to answer you guys. Now, I hope you guys don't have any questions. So, let's end our stream with a winner trade. Okay, let me just take the picture of it. So I can just I have to put it on YT this much. This publish. Zero drops. Yeah, another Spangler trade. Yes, sir. Neptune is in our Discord. Guys, okay. That's it, guys. Beautiful trade, and thank you for coming to the live stream. Showing much support. Whatever, like 5, 10 people, it means a lot to me. Okay. Uh, that's it for today. See you guys tomorrow, and trade safe. I prefer not to trade today because bank holidays again. So yeah, be safe. Keep trading. Peace.